on off, so you wouldn't be able to tell there. But this setting that I have with the microphone is actually the best. It should give you the feeling like I'm sitting right in front of you while we're talking. Okay, you can sit on that chair. Let me give you this microphone. Here, you gotta look at the camera. Here, go this way. See that camera? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip this here. I have to be careful. Right? Now, no, don't touch it. You can't touch it. Don't make the wire fall. Okay? I'm gonna ask you. You have to talk now. Hang on. Stop touching it. It's gonna make funny sound. So, Luca, no, stop touching it. Stop touching it. All you have to do is talk to me. Did you go rock climbing? I can't hear you.
Yeah.
What did you do when you went rock climbing? You went to the highest one with Philip?
Yeah.
That's not talking. Did he help you climb, or you did it all by yourself?
I did it all by myself.
What did you do?
I hit my brother. I scrapped my brother.
You misbehaving today?
No, I didn't do anything. I did this rock climbing.
Sounds like Philip has something to say. Here, give me this microphone for a second.
No.
Yes, Philip, come and sit over here. Give Philip a turn, please. Yes, give him a turn. Give Philip a turn. Okay, move over a little bit.
I didn't even have a turn. I didn't even have a turn.
No, don't stop.
I didn't even have a turn.
I'm just checking the sound. Okay? Okay, Philip, did Luca cause a lot of problems today, rock climbing?
No, not really. It caused some problems, but not a lot. Yeah, I think that's an awesome idea.
Did you make it to the top?
Me? I hit all the buzzers. And I beat the wall that I couldn't make before. What?
Want to buy your shoes, or should you buy your shoes?
No, we just...
It's funny, you guys have so much to say, but the second that I want to take you, you have nothing to say.
I don't know.